ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all at Learning Advanced English Vocabulary Classes by English by Tanushree and powered by David Style. So today, we have come over something interesting that might fascinate you and something that you could take away from today's video. And you must have come across, you must have discovered, you must have explored people interacting in their podcast or in the show, or you must have heard people in the conversation where they use phrases with numbers. Like for an example, you must have heard about Catch 22, and this is something that we had discussed in one of our videos previously. And so similarly, we are here with two of the most influential and most commonly used phrases with numbers that we're going to discuss over here, so that we might be filled with confidence and fluency that is necessary for further ahead in our conversation. So let's begin and know what is the meaning, and as well we will be discussing the example as well, so that we can know and get very much clarity how and know the meaning and know what is the phrase today. Okay, so first is something you cannot let go, or something that is close to your heart, or something, or more closely if I say, there are times or some things are there in our lives that we feel is close to our heart or precious to us, which is unforgettable. So what is that phrase with numbers that we can name them, or how we can interact with somebody out there using this phrase with numbers? And when you want to say that something is precious to you, something you cannot let go, or something that is unforgettable to you, you say 1 in a million. Okay, so the phrase that we use is, we say, is 1 in a million. So for family, your ally, your colleague, your friend, anyone, it means a person who is unforgettable, who is precious to you, or anything, something that is precious and unforgettable, you can say this phrase, which is with number, that is 1 in a million. So you can say that my friend is 1 in a million, or just for an example, that you are the traveler who often travels. You are a traveler and who often travels to different countries and almost have covered up all the countries traveling, and all of those destinations you get that one destination, one country that feels almost unforgettable to you, that is beauty at its peak, and that is in your heart printed, and that place is something that you would be if you are in a position that you would always like to recommend to the other person out there. This place or this country, like for an example, if you say that Spain is 1 in a million. Okay, Spain is a country which is 1 in a million, so I recommend visiting there. Okay, upgrade your English vocabulary with English by Tanushree. And so don't say that this is precious to me or this is valuable to me. Say this is 1 in a million for me. Okay? And let's go ahead to the second part of the phrase with numbers is second to none. Second to none is also very much pretty close to getting very much obvious. That is something that is unmatched in quality, and that is better than everyone. So something that is unmatched, or it could be any product that it could be any outfit that you like. So anything whose product is unmatched and which is better than everyone else. So you call it, you use that this product. Or for example, you could say that Savannah has outfits which is second to none out there. So I hope you get it. And if there's anything, do comment down below in the comment section below. And I hope you liked it. And if it is, go ahead, share with your friends and families, and do frequently use this in your conversation ahead, which will eventually fill you up with more confidence, and which will eventually help you release all the hesitations and help you in the fluency of your conversation ahead. And go ahead, keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.